Madam President, we have an emergency. The situation is ongoing, but we have our people monitoring it from every angle.
Tell it to me straight.
There's a Glamazonian express headed directly into a massive storm.
Now tell it to me gay.
Conductor, are you saying that you're on a runaway train?
Worse, we can't stop.
It's a Stormaganza.
In English, please.
It's gonna be a disaster.
In Spanish, please.
Va a ser un desastre.
In Mandarin, please.
There's
no need to panic. You look different. Let me guess. Stroke?
Can you read me?
Girl, where do I start?
No offense, it just smells like poor people back here.
Dee Dee, I was born with adult teeth.
Would you mind helping me with my mother?
Of course.
Thank you.
No way. Are you?
I am.
Are you sitting in my seat? I paid for the window.
As if this day couldn't get any worse.
Do you really think I want to deal with that mess? I don't even come in on Fridays.